Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve the easy Python problem from leetcode. This is perfect problem for beginners. So let's break step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The problem statement was given a list of numbers, find and return the maximum number in the list. Example for the problem is input numbers equal to 31975 inside the square bracket and output will be the 9. Explanation: the largest number in the list is 9. So we are going to see the Python program for this problem. This problem is very simple and we are going to check all these numbers and find the largest one. Here is the Python code was def find underscore maximum of numbers colon return maximum of numbers. Here def is a keyword for function and find maximum is the name of the function of numbers, which was the variable which end with the function colon and returns the maximum number from the list of numbers. The working of the code is the maximum of function in Python program automatically finds the largest number in the list. So we have to simply pass the list of numbers into the function, then it will returns the highest value. The steps inside the program is that step 1 comparing numbers 3 and 1, the maximum value is 3. Then the step 2 comparing numbers 3 and 9, the maximum number is 9. Then the step 3 comparing numbers 9 and 7, the maximum number is 9. Step 4 the comparing number of 9 and 5, maximum number is 9. So the output is 9. This is the working of the function inside the function program. And that's it. We solved a Python program in a single line of code. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up and subscribe button, and see you in the next video with a new content in the coding section. Bye.